Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is another vlog. I made one maybe about a month ago, but lately I just been filming just basically everything, well not everything, but just some things, and this is just a video from like the beginning of September. My Japanese class moved to a different building, so this is just me walking to the new building, and I kind of like this one better because the room was more spacious, I guess. And sometimes I'm too nervous, too nervous to film, but I'm kind of starting to get over it now. So I hope to make more videos, but I think this one will be fun too. I have a couple of videos of what I did in September, and I remember this. There was a little spider like at the top, and I didn't want to walk through the door, but I didn't want to be late to class, so I just went through. So after class, I just looked at my homework and did some of my homework while I waited for the next class. And then after class, I just went to the marketplace to get some lunch. So this is the outfit that I wore one day. I don't remember what day it was, but I liked it, so I thought I'd show it. But yeah, I like these shoes. They're really cute, but when I was wearing them throughout the day, they kind of messed up my ankles. You know, those like shoes that like rub against your ankles or and stuff. Well, not ankles, heels is what I mean. And then this is just a random video of me attempting to moonwalk. I guess me and my sister like made a joke that with those shoes and socks I kind of looked like Michael Jackson. I don't know. I thought it was funny. So here's just a clip of me and my sister going to the bowling alley. I would probably go again soon, so there might be another clip of me at the bowling place again. So this is actually a video from today. Well, the today of me like editing, which is like a Saturday, and I was just hanging out with my parents, and we went shopping, and then we went to the beach, and we were just more sightseeing. I didn't actually get into the water, but maybe next time I will. So I just went to Sam's Club, and then I just picked up a couple of things that I needed, and they had a lot of candy and Halloween stuff out, and I saw this really cool like cookie making set for Halloween, and I don't know, I was thinking of doing a stream about that. So if you guys are interested in that, you can let me know in the comments. And here's a clip of me just driving past SeaWorld. I mean, I don't know if you can really see it though. And then this is just another clip of me, my sister. And then this is the beach. It looks really nice. I love how blue the water is. And here's a clip of me actually at the beach, and it was really nice. It had a lot of stuff going on, and they had this really cool giant ice cream, and I took a picture next to it. So that's pretty much all for today's vlog, and here's the other clip of me bowling like I said, and I just cut it off because I got a gutter ball, and that's just my shoes. But that's pretty much all for today's vlog. there's a lot of places that I'm planning to go, and I'll probably just make separate videos for them because I feel like my vlogs would probably be the sum up of a whole month. So probably another one next October, or I'll do another one soon. I'm not sure, but there's a couple places I want to go, and I'll probably just make those videos of their own. And I want to make some more videos, and I want to stream more. So I have 3 exams this week, so probably the week after I'll have a lot of videos up, or if I have some time. But I hope everyone enjoyed today's video, and I hope you guys have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.